explorers, join the cheer. We're going on a rally with animals and start with R. R is for rhino, charging through the brush. R is for raccoon, in the night so hush. R is for robin, chirping sweet songs. R is for reindeer, pulling sleighs along. Want to see animals with R, as lively as can be. R is for rat, scurrying around. R is for rabbit, hopping on the ground. R is for rattlesnake, rattling its tail. R is for red panda, cute without fail. R is for rooster, crowing at the dawn. R is for ray, gliding where it's drawn. Each one special in its own way. Animals with R, brightening our day. From rhinos to rays, what a great tour. With the letter R, adventures galore. Keep exploring, keep learning every day. In the world of animals where we love to play. R is for rhino, charging through the brush. R is for raccoon, in the night so hush. R is for robin, chirping sweet songs.